horses down there in the flats. Wild Mustangs. Hey everyone, MinerBiker here. It is December 1st. It's time of year when most people are packing their bikes up in the garage and getting on their trainers or eating too much food or whatever else they do in the wintertime, but I personally don't really believe in much of an off-season. I figure if you want to ride bad enough, you can find a place or a way to do it. Me and Hook the Trail Dog are out in the San Rafael Swell again today. You can see there is a little bit of snow out here. It snowed pretty good over at my house last night, so it's definitely a little bit of winter time, but that's not going to stop us from having a good adventure out here. Got Hook the Trail Dog. He's over there ready to go. Riding the Fazari La Salle Peak today. The objective of today's ride is to try and get out to San Rafael Knob, which is the highest point in the swell. We're going to see if we can get there. Come along for the ride. Alright, we're off. We parked at Justinson Flat and head off down into Devil's Canyon like we're heading out towards Sagebrush Branch and Copper Globe. When we get down in the bottom of the canyon, we're going to turn off on a different old route that take us over towards San Rafael Knob. Never been on it before. This is a exploration trip. See what it's like. I was interested to see how good my traction is on this ride. Alright, we're at the top of Devil's Canyon, getting ready to drop in. Straight ahead of us, that's San Rafael Knob. So the top of that's the highest elevation in the swell. That's where we're going to try and get to. Hoping to be able to hike all the way onto the top of it. I don't know with the snow on it. I have to try and hike up the south face where the snow will be melted off. Yeah, let's drop into Devil's Canyon. Like a little downhill in the snow. Especially when I really don't know don't have a good bead on the traction level right now. I don't know how fast I dare go. Hook's having fun. These are perfect dog conditions. All butt down all this stuff. Taking a little easy today. Oh man, overall the conditions are actually fabulous. Usually like this wash bed down here is super sandy and loose. It's actually really nice. I think not only does it have the snow on it and it's wet, but I think it's got wet and then it got froze. It's like rock hard, not sinking into it at all. So you keep going straight here, that climbs you back up out of the canyon, up the other side, up to Copper Globe and Sagebrush Flat. We're going to turn left here, go a little farther up the canyon, and then climb up out of the canyon, going to the east, get up to the knob. Every now and then you hit a soft spot. For the most part, this sand is all frozen. Oh boy. Nice slippery snow-covered rocks. Actually a lot of horse tracks coming up this. Maybe we will see some up here. Got a little slick rock. We're getting closer. There's your knob right ahead of us. We're getting there. That little slick rock, all these frozen little puddles in it. Froze solid. Climbing back up higher. Getting back up into the breeze. Have to put the jacket back on here soon. We've pretty much arrived at the base of the knob. I'm going to kind of circle around on the south side of it. Really hoping to find a route I can hike up onto the top of it. I think my best chances around here on the south side where there won't be as much snow. Now we're getting some view. Got family viewed out there. 100 mountains beyond. Got some more clouds hanging around them. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous out here. Oh, there's horses. I think you can see it pretty good. Let me zoom in. Down here in the flat, down below San Rafael Knob, there's a herd of horses down there in the flats. Wild Mustangs. So cool to see them out here, hook season. What you think, bud? You see those horses? You see them? And over here in this flat, there's some more. Down there, like 3 or 4 more. Out there in the distance, you can see Family Butte and the Henry Mountains beyond it. So pretty to see the horses out here. So hiking around, seeing if I can find a way to climb up onto this, up onto the knob. This is the only feasible climbing route that I can find. If it was dry, it wouldn't be any problem to climb up all these notches and ledges, but with it covered in snow like this, no thanks, I'm not gonna try. We'll save it for when it's not covered in snow. This is Hook's idea of a break. I'm here trying to take it easy and enjoy the view and get a snack, and he whimpers and whines and barks at me until I throw something for him. Obviously, he's not very tired yet. Ready? Go. There's the bike down there. Keeps him busy for a while if you throw it down off the cliff, because then he has to figure out a way to go and get it. Takes him longer. Silly thing. Such a pretty spot up here. Oh my goodness, this view is absolutely incredible. It's a little chilly sitting here. There's just enough of a breeze that once your heart rate goes down, you start getting cold pretty quick. Man, it's beautiful. It's Skyline Drive and the mountains over there. Got quite a bit of snow on them. So pretty. Okay, back at the bike. Hiked around the base of the knob here for a little bit. Trying to find a good climbing route. I really wanted to climb all the way to the top of it. Found one good route, but unfortunately it was over on the north face and covered with snow. And climbing up slick rock sandstone that's covered in snow way out in the middle of nowhere by myself just did not seem like a very good idea. So we'll get that when we come back again another time when it's dry. Then we had some lunch. Now we're going to head back. I gotta fix the camera angle. Hang on a second. Hook really like running in the snow, but I was running in the snow. Slowly getting the heart rate going again. Good buddy. That bike's gonna be dirty. Definitely gonna need a wash. Oh boy, this is gonna be sketchy. Going on this sucker. Oh, it's slick. Feel that back tire and a fish tailing around back there. I think you stay on this frozen stuff. The sand's not bad. Every now and then though, you find a soft spot. We're back on the main Devil's Canyon Trail over here and climb back up out of Devil's Canyon. It's actually pretty amazing how good the driving traction is up that. If you can keep that back wheel weighted, it actually bites in and drives pretty good. And we are over the top, out of the canyon. Overlook back into Devil's Canyon. See the road we came up. Over that way you can see the knob. That's where we were. Good timing, man. Good times. Ah! Oh, it's slippery. That's slick. Let's go, bud. Go, go, go. Race you to the truck. Drivetrain's so gritty. Truck's not real clean either from the drive over here this morning. On the snowy road through the canyons. Everybody, thanks for watching. Quite a good little adventure out here in the snow, welcoming in December in the only proper way I can think of. You can see the bike got just a little dirty. Not too bad, all things considered. Drivetrain's definitely a little gritty. Hook had fun. Absolutely perfect dog conditions. But what you think? Don't lick the camera.